Hi guys, it's Thu Hà, teacher from the IELTS workshop of level FD, FM, SO, and JR. Nice to see you today. You might have heard my voice as well if you follow TOCast, the podcast series of the IELTS workshop. Wait, what did I say might have heard? Check that out, it's a gem. The link can be found above. Anyway, I'm here today not just to share with you guys any single bit of LİCH, but a full-length answer for speaking part 2 IELTS. The topic we'll be working on today is describe an advertisement that you have seen but did not like. Amazing! Let's dive right in. I have to admit that when it comes to advertisements, you can't find anyone more carefree than me because I'm always in my head and I just automatically zone out when an advert is being played. However, if I have to choose an advert that I do not have a thing for, it's not a hard task at all because I still remember this time when I bumped into a Chinese laundry detergent commercial. And I felt terrible each second passing by. So let me just calmly walk you through this. That commercial was set in a utility room. There was this Chinese lady appearing first on set and then a black guy coming in. He came in with a worth whistle and we all know where this is going. But in no way would I have ever imagined that that lady would put in his mouth a detergent capsule and then she shoved him into the washing machine. And then he came out Chinese and then she was in love. I mean, come on. They can't be serious, especially that KHAI company. I'm sorry if I did not enunciate their brand title correctly because I don't learn Chinese. But I'm not sorry because that ad is like completely racist. I am not so sure if that ad brought back to them any kind of jump in their sales or revenue, but I can say for sure that they so succeeded in sparking rage and spreading such a horrible message, no matter what initial purposes of theirs were. And at that time, simultaneously, I also read some articles of like how Chinese netizens reacted to that ad, and many of them just like kept pointing out the fact that that ad copied that content from an Italian one, and they just kept prioritizing that plagiarizing issue over the racial segregation one. I don't have the foggiest idea why. Well, just to say the least, a marketing lesson learned, I should conclude. And that was my sample answer. I hope that you have fun. This is Thu Hà from the IELTS workshop and I'll catch you later.